What if America's newest stealth bomber is already so advanced that much of its true capability remains hidden from the world? The B-21 Raider is not simply another military aircraft. It represents the future of stealth warfare. A bomber designed for an era where radar systems are smarter, missile defenses are deadlier, and global conflicts could depend entirely on invisible air power. But one question dominates military aviation discussions everywhere. How many B-21 Raiders will actually be built? Because behind that answer lies a much bigger mystery. What makes the B-21 Raider so special? For decades, strategic bombers shaped global military power. The B-52 dominated through endurance. The B-1 relied on speed. The B-2 introduced stealth into modern strategic warfare. But eventually, military planners realized something terrifying. Future battlefields would become far more dangerous. Advanced radar networks, AI-assisted air defenses, satellite tracking systems, and next-generation missiles threatened older bomber concepts. America needed something new. Something designed not only to survive modern warfare, but to dominate it silently. That aircraft became the B-21 Raider. At first glance, the B-21 looks similar to the legendary B-2 Spirit. Both use flying wing stealth designs intended to reduce radar detection. But appearances can be deceiving. The Raider was built using lessons learned from decades of stealth warfare, advanced digital engineering, modern sensor integration, and next-generation networking capability. The aircraft isn't simply a bomber, it's part of a larger battlefield ecosystem, and that changes everything. Modern stealth aircraft increasingly rely on sensor fusion and digital battlefield integration. The answer reveals how seriously future warfare is being taken. Current plans suggest the United States intends to build at least 100 B-21 Raiders, though some analysts believe the number could eventually increase depending on global threats and operational requirements. That scale matters enormously, because stealth bombers are not ordinary aircraft. They represent strategic deterrence, long-range strike capability, and the ability to operate inside heavily defended airspace where many other aircraft might struggle to survive. And the B-21 was designed specifically for that dangerous future. Building stealth bombers is extraordinarily difficult. Advanced materials, radar-reducing designs, precision manufacturing, and classified systems require enormous technological resources. The B-21 program attempts something even more ambitious. Unlike older stealth bombers that became extremely expensive and difficult to maintain, the Raider was reportedly designed with long-term operational sustainability in mind. In other words, the aircraft wasn't built merely to look futuristic. It was built to remain operational for decades. The B-21 Raider represents more than a technological upgrade. It represents the future of invisible warfare, silent, connected, adaptive, and potentially capable of operating deep inside the world's most dangerous airspace environments. For decades, bombers shaped military history. Now the Raider may shape the future, because in tomorrow's conflicts, the most dangerous weapon may be the one nobody can detect. So the next time you see the shadowy silhouette of the B-21, remember, you may be looking at the future of warfare itself. And if you want more hidden truths about stealth bombers, classified military technology, and futuristic airpower secrets, subscribe now. Because the next story might reveal the aircraft the world was never supposed to know existed.